Previous day we start exercise 3.2 or I think we completed till question number 9, right? So today we continue on this exercise and we discuss that is a question number 10. What is question number 10? Then say 10 question is given if A 4 1 and 2 1 1 0 2 0 2 minus 4 and third is given A 4 and 1 equal to 0. Then we have need to find the value of it. Let's see, how can we find out the value of it? Such that it is given that A 4 1 2 1 2 1 0 2 0 2 minus 2. It is A 4 and 1. These are three matrices. First is 1 cross 3, second 3 cross 3, and third is 3 cross 1. Product of these three matrices is given 0, so we have need to find out the value. How can we find out? First we multiply these two matrices, first row and first row. Okay, first row and first row, it is 2A plus 4 and 0 and 1, that is a 0. First element complete. First row and second element A 0 into 4 0 and 2 1 are 2. First row and third row, that is a 2A plus A and minus 2. That's clear. And second is given A 4 and 1 equal to 0. Because second row is not present, we have no need to find out second row and third. First we can arrange it. We get 2A plus 4, A plus 2 and 2A. It is a 8 minus 4, that is a 4. It is a 4 and 1. Again, these two matrices are there. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 1 and this is it is a first row and 3 column, that is a order 1 cross 3. It is a 3 cross 1. So student of cross 12, you know that how can we multiply your two matrices? But first basic concept, number of column of matrix that write in first condition, that is equal to number of row of second matrix. Number of column 3, number of row 3, both are equal, so we can multiply all these two matrices. How can we multiply? First row and first column. Only one row and one column, that is a one element. If one element is given, so we have no need to write down in the form of matrix. That way we can simplify it. How can we simplify it? 2A plus 4 into A plus 4 into A plus 2A plus 4 equal to 0. Simplify it. 2A square plus 4A plus 4A plus 8, or it is at 2A plus 4 equal to 0. Simplify it. 2A square 4A plus 4A 8A plus 2, that is it is a 10, and 8 plus 4, that is a 10. Every term is divisible by 2, so A square 5A plus 6 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in the form of A. But all of you know that how can we solve quadratic equation? By using middle term splitting method. So we can use middle term splitting. How can we split it? That is A square 3A plus 2A plus 60. So A common, A plus 3, 2 common, A plus 3 0. In first bracket a plus 3 and a plus 2 0. We can assume. Let a plus 3 0, a equal to minus 1. A plus 2 0, a equal to minus 1. So we get two values of a, that is the minus 3 and 1. That's clear? Any problem? So student, same process you can do. It's question number 11. That is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square. You have verified this condition, so do it. We discuss in question number 12. That is the most important question number 12. Let's see. Question number 12. So, given that is question number 12, given in this form, how can we explain it? 12 given, most important, matrix A equal to 0 minus 10x by 2, 10x by 2 and 3. Then prove that is it I plus a equal to I minus a. It is in cos x minus sin x and cos x. Where I is 2 cross 2 identity matrix. Then see solution. Most important question. So first we need to prove that I plus a equal to I minus a, cos x minus sin x by and sin x and cos x. First we can take LHS. LHS is given I plus a. I is given 1 0 0 because a is 2 cross 2. So I is also 2 cross 2 because you know that the basic concept of addition of two matrices. You know that two matrices will be added if their order be same. So A 2 cross 2, so I is also 2 cross 2. Then after A is given 0 minus 10x by 2. It is at 10x by 2 and 0. So we get here 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 plus minus 10x by 2. It is a plus 10x by 2 or 1 plus 0, that is LHS. Then we enter its RHS. What is given RHS? RHS is given, that is a I minus a. So first we need to find out I minus a. So I is given 1 0 0 and 1 minus a is given 0 minus 10x by 2. It is a plus 10x by 2 and it is a 0. Simplify. 1 minus 0, that is 1. 0 minus plus, that is a 10x by 2. 0 minus 10x by 2 or 1 minus 0, that is it. Thereafter we can take completely RHS. So I minus a is given 0. So 10x by 2 0 and 10x by 2 minus 10x by 2, or it is 1 and that is 1. This I minus, and also this multiply with another matrix. What is given? It is given cos x minus sin x and that is cos x. So student of class 1, this first matrix in the form of 10x the form of sin and cos. So you have need to change this matrix also in the form of 10x by 2. So you know that here sin x equal to 2 10x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2. You know that two identities, how can we change sin and cos in 10 form? First, sin x equal to 2 10x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2. And second, cos x equal to 1 minus 10 square x by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 square x by 2. So we have need to change this matrix in the form of 10. How can we change? 1, it is a 10x by 2, it is a minus 10x by 2 and चेंज करें cos के प्लेस पे क्या राइट कर सकते हैं 1 minus 10 square x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2 it is minus 2 10x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2. Again sign that is 2 10x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2 and cos it is 1 minus 10 square x by 2 by 1 plus 10 square x by 2. You know that basic concept of sin and cos. Sin theta equal to 2 10 theta by 2 by 1 plus 10 square theta by 2 and cos theta equal to 1 minus 10 square theta by 2 by 1 plus 10 square theta. We can change both matrices in the form of 10. Then after we can multiply both matrices, but before applying multiply of two matrices, we can assume let 10x by 2 equal to t. Sorry, 1 t minus t and 1. Here 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square. It is a second 2t by 1 plus t square or 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then after we multiply both matrices. How can we multiply? First we can multiply this first row and first column. How can we multiply this? See, 1 minus t square 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. First row plus add that it is a 2t square by 1 plus t square. Complete first row and second row. So minus 2t by 1 plus t square multiply them this t. This t multiplied by this numerator t minus t cube by 1 plus t square. Next, first row complete. The second row, first row. Multiply them minus t plus t cube by 1 plus t square. Just multiply them. That is a 2t by 1 plus t square. Second row and second column minus into minus plus 2t square by 1 plus t square. And this one multiply by 1 we get plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Simplify it. How can we simplify? Let's see. Both denominator have same, so we can take LCM 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. Then 2t square minus t square we get 1 plus t square. Second, again we can take LCM 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. So we can write down here minus 2t plus t, we get minus t plus and here minus t and minus t. Then also we can take in this element 1 plus t square. It is a t cube plus 2t plus minus t, that is we get t. In this element we can take LCM 1 plus t square. we get 2t square minus t square, that is a 1 plus. This one cancel, this one cancel. So we get 1. We can take minus t common. So 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here we get t common. So 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square. Here that is 1. Both cancel. This one we cancel. We get 1 minus t plus t and 1. So again we can replace the value of t. So we get 1 minus 10x by 2 plus 10x by 2 and in this way we see that LHS equal to RHS. Any problem, students? So in this way we can prove this LHS equal to RHS. Most important question. So student, we see on next question. By the way, most important question. Thereafter we complete till question number 12. Again we discuss in question number 13. Any problem? This is the most important question. We have need to prove it LHS equal to RHS. For this provement, we can take RHS, so we can change all terms in the form of LHS. Okay? Let's see question number 13. Question number 13. What is question number 13? 13 is given that. What is 13 given? That is a matrix A equal to 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. And I equal to 1, 0, 0 and 1. If a square equal to 8a plus ki, then find the value. So student of class 12, see this question. We can take solution. First we can take LHS is given a square. A square means a to e. So multiply 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. Here 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. Multiply them. Then we can multiply first row and first row. This is 1 minus 0 into minus 1. First row, second 0, it is 0. Second row and first row, minus 1, minus 7, we get minus. Second row and second column 0 and 7, 7 that is 49. This value is this value is. Then after we have given a square equal to 8a plus bi. So a square is given 1, 0, minus 8 and 14. A means 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. Plus k 1, 0, 0 and in LHS is given 1, 0, minus 8 and 14. Multiply them 8, 0, minus 8 or 7 8s are, that is 56. Plus k 0, 0 and k. In LHS 1, 0, minus 8 and 49. In RHS, simplify. K plus 8, 0. Minus 8, it is a 56. Both matrix of same order are equal, so their corresponding elements also be equal. Compare it. K plus 8 equal to 1, so k equal to 1 minus 8, k equal to minus 7. If we multiply compare last term, 49 equal to 56 plus k. So k equal to 49 minus 56, we get minus 7. In both way, we get the value of k equal to minus 7. So student of class 10, In this process, you can do its 11 question, and also you have need to solve it miscellaneous. Okay, in this way we complete till chapter 3rd. Next day, on next video, we start chapter number 4. Thank you so much.